Be bearish now so you can be rich later. We got to be talking about Bitcoin and these bear markets and why everyone is so upset. Oh no, the bear market, oh no. And why I am looking at it, licking my lips. Okay. So without further ado, welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Anything I say in this video is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Let's hop into it. Guys, over on Twitter, I say be bearish now so you can be rich later. And I really mean that because right now it's a very, very interesting time. Twitter is up in arms. Every other person is bearish or bullish or saying, no, we're going to $1 million or no, we're going to zero. And there's no in between. And over on crypto YouTube, a lot of people are permabulls. I will say that being permabull is okay. You know, maybe we do break out of the 4-year cycle. Maybe the 4-year cycle is canceled. Maybe, but it is the most accurate data point that I've used to be a profitable trader and investor. And I'm not going to discredit that until I actually get true data that shows that the 4-year cycle is broken. So we're seeing a lot of crypto YouTubers be quite perma-bullish, and now we're seeing some people be quite bearish. And I quite frankly believe that we are in a bear market, and that doesn't mean we can't have bounces on the way down. There's definitely lower highs afoot, but I believe that people are looking at it all wrong. A lot of the newbies are looking at it all wrong, and I've been trading crypto for over a decade. I've been investing longer than that, and I'm telling you guys, the bear markets are where not only millionaires are made, but where you actually become wealthy. If you do it right. Now, there's obviously ways you can fall into different traps. You could get scammed. You could get rug pulled. But in my opinion, dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin has been proven by the test of time to be profitable and very profitable, outperforming every asset, right? Very exciting stuff. Every major asset, right? I'm not talking about dollar cost averaging and any low cap meme coins that get super lucky. No, I'm talking about Bitcoin, baby. Okay. So right now we're looking at Bitcoin, and we're getting a little bit of a bounce after seeing nearly a 40% drawdown from all-time highs of October 6th, all the way down to about 36% drawdown to about $80,000. Okay. And now we're getting a little bit of a bounce, and we are back above 88K, which in my opinion is a very important support level. Very important level to be holding above, okay? I thought we were going to hold 88,000 and get the bounce, but we didn't. We got the little bear trap below it, followed by the pump to wash out the shorts. And I think that's absolutely fine. But in my opinion, I still am putting my money where my mouth is, and I believe that these will just be lower highs, whether they hit 94,000 or hit 100,000, or maybe just barely above 100,000, just like a little bull trap before a further breakdown. I'm viewing the bounces as lower highs and short opportunities, guys. And I want to say that because the way you make money in crypto is by hodling, and hodling the right things, holding on for dear life. And I believe that's Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the easy route, becoming a Bitcoin maxi. And I think that this cycle will be truly the Bitcoin maxi generator, right? I think everyone's going to become Bitcoin maxis from this cycle because, let's be real, the altcoin market and the meme coin market just became a extraction carousel and just constantly trying to pull money out of the market. And I think I think really when like Pump.Fund got launched, it really deflated the altcoin market and showed its true colors for what it really is. And it's really a place where people extract money out of the cryptocurrency ecosystem, if you will. But I do think, though, when you look at this, just because we're bleeding out on Bitcoin, we're going down, does not mean that dollar cost averaging over time is not profitable. Because all you got to do is zoom out here and like realize where we're at. And guys, we are up thousands and thousands and thousands of percent over the years, over the inception of Bitcoin. And yeah, sure, you know, we didn't see that large of a gain from the bear market to the peak of this bull market, did we? Oh, wait a second. Actually, it was a 721% gain from 16,000 to 126K, right? I believe that if you buy in the bear markets, you will get rich, okay? Not financial advice, have to say that, right? But guys, I put my money where my mouth is. I've made significant profits in trading and investing by DCAing, swing trading crypto. And guys, I believe that we will see a breakdown here at some point, whether we get a bounce and we don't see the breakdown until Q1 2026 or maybe even later on. That will change some things, in my opinion. But if we get there, then I'll make some videos about that. But as of right now, if we break down here, guys, I am excited. I am looking forward to buying that dip. Guys, we've already hit a few of my different tranche levels. Being below 94,000 was an area of interest for me where I was nibbling a bit. Being below 88,000, I was buying a significant amount. But, guys, I'll tell you what. If we can break below 88,000, we test 73K, and we are truly in a bear market, and we break this overarching bullish price structure, which I will say, if you zoom out here, this is still a bullish price structure, even though it does look like it's weakening. Like you can see the curvature, which you've seen. I made a video about Zcash and why I'm shorting it, and it has the same type of curvature. But if we get below these levels, I am buying that dip big time. I am buying Bitcoins. I'm hand over fist trying to buy Bitcoins if we get below 73,000. Is it possible? Yes. I think it's possible we come down to 51,000 even, but I'm not saying it's going to happen right now, and I know how much pain that brings the new investors, especially the people that bought at 126,000. And I'll be completely honest, if you bought at 126,000 and that was the first time you bought Bitcoin, well, guys, a lot of people have done that. All the veterans have done that. They've bought the highs, then they ride it through the lows. And the people that keep buying, those are the people that are actually accumulating Bitcoin and actually hedging against, using Bitcoin for what it's used for, and hedging against inflation and the debasement of the US dollar. Now, in the meantime, I am shorting altcoins. I'm shorting Crowcoin, Dogecoin, Pepe, Solana, Zcash, and a few others, right? And I'm Crowcoin, my short right now is up $1,000, about 393%. I'm adding to this short size. I'm adding to it because I do believe that these bounces are going to come, but they're going to be lower highs. Now, if you guys do want to trade with me in CryptoKip, you want access to a private Discord where we talk about our trade setups and our thesis on the market, feel free to check out in the pinned comment section or description box below. All you got to do is sign up to Blowfin using our link down there. You get a $5,000 sign bonus as well as access to our private Discord server. When you sign up using that link down below, you'll basically just sign up there, and there's also a Discord link below that, and you click our Discord, follow a couple steps, and you're in. And guys, I do want to say all the links down below are affiliate links, so they help support this channel, but there's also lucrative bonuses for you, and you get access to our private Discord, so it's a win-win for everybody. So take advantage of this. Now, back to where Bitcoin's at in this 4-year cycle and why it's okay to be bearish. But guys, it's good when the market flips bearish. If you truly believe in an asset, it's good when the market gets bearish because you should be viewing that, if you have true conviction, as a massive opportunity. And when I see Bitcoin break down, I view it as a massive opportunity. And I'm prepared. I am prepared for the price to break down for a year and a half. Maybe if things go crazy, 2 years. But regardless, I'm going to be viewing that as an opportunity. I'm going to be buying along the way because I know my strategy, what's proven the test of time and proven to be profitable for me, I'm going to continue to do that. Now, my strategy might not be the best strategy for you guys. Everyone should figure out what strategy works out best for them. That's how it goes. But for me, I like swing trading. I like dollar cost averaging, and I like to buy. I like to sell on the way up. That's what I really like to do. But guys, let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think? Do you think that we're in a bear market? Because I know a lot of people are kind of bouncing around over in the crypto world. A lot of people are super bearish, and then you got the perma bulls that are always bullish no matter what. Yeah, it's an interesting time right now. I think that bounces are going to come, and I think that everyone's going to flip massively bullish, and I think it's going to put in a lower high. We could even bounce up to like 110,000, and that could be a lower high, and that'd be an absolutely brutal lower high. But I think that'd be an appropriate level to actually hit. So it's going to be a very interesting next couple months into Q1 2026. But I told you guys what I'm doing. I want to know what you guys are doing. Let me know in the comment section below, or let me know on the Discord when you sign up. But that's all I got. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.